In today's video, I'll show you on how you can export Quizlet to Knowt. The first thing that you want to do is to simply download a simple Chrome extension. Simply search for the Chrome extension Knowt, and then you want to open the knowt.com/Chrome extension. In here, it will then set up the Chrome extension, so just wait for the page to load in. Basically, click on the Add to Chrome option, and then it will download the Knowt as an extension to your preferred browser. So I'll just wait for the download to finish, and in here we have successfully downloaded Knowt. I'll just pin it on my extensions for things to make it easier. And from there, to proceed, you just want to head over to your Quizlet. I'll then refresh my page right here to make sure that things are perfectly working. I'll head over to my flashcards, and basically from there, the Knowt extension will then automatically show up that it automatically found the 2 flashcards to import. From here, just simply click on the extension, and then you want to click on the Add to Knowt button, and basically from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.